Haha. Yep, that's me. Trust me, I've got plenty of skills up my sleeve you still don't know about. Among my skills, cooking stands out. Let's put a spotlight on it for now. Get ready. I'll be serving African classics today. Amala, Ewedu, and a rich party soup to go with it. Nah, scratch dancing from the list. I'd rather sit it out than embarrass myself. Okay guys, no detours. Let's hit the main point. Rich African party soup usually refers to the big, flavorful soups that anchor celebrations. Before blending the base, I first air fry it for 10 to 15 minutes or place it in oven for like 20 minutes at 400 degrees. This will give me that smoky party taste. The ingredients I used: red bell pepper, 4 medium tomatoes, about 8 scotch bonnet peppers, large onions, some vegetable oil mixed with palm oil. I refused adding tomato paste because I wanted that under the bridge kind of taste soup. First, melt those oils together on a low flame. Then mix in the blended sauce. Got a thick paste? A splash of water will fix it. As for the proteins, dress them up with onions, garlic, and ginger. That's your shortcut to a well-marinated, flavor-packed bite. Put in your proteins on the fire. Stir well so everything soaks up the sauce. Reduce heat and allow to simmer until thick, rich, and mouth-watering. Taste and adjust the seasoning. Toss those flavorful, juicy, and mouth-watering proteins in the air fryer until they turn crispy, perfectly golden, irresistible, and tender texture. Incorporate the crisp proteins into the rich stew, stirring as needed. Do the same with the tripe and fish to layer the flavors. Next is Ewedu. Ewedu soup is a classic Nigerian delicacy, especially loved by the Yoruba people. It's light, slippery, and pairs beautifully with amala, though it also goes well with other swallows, pounded yam, fufu, etc. After plucking the Ewedu leaves from the stalk, wash thoroughly and drain. In a pot, add water and a spoon of locust beans. Traditionally, the leaves are pounded with a broom-like whisk called ijabi. Return to low heat, add crayfish, seasoning cube, salt, and locust beans if desired. Stir well and allow to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Alternatively, you can use a blender just like I did in this video to pulse the softened leaves until smooth and slightly slimy. Your Ewedu is ready. Serve hot with Amala and Gbegiri for the classic trio or with any swallow of your choice. If you guessed Amala as next, you just nailed it. Sprinkle yam flour into the boiling water little by little while stirring continuously with a wooden spatula or turning stick. Keep stirring vigorously until the mixture thickens and becomes smooth and stretchy. For those of us that don't like making it on fire but on microwave, heat it up for another 3 to 5 minutes. Keep stirring vigorously. The texture should be firm enough to hold its shape, but soft enough to scoop with soup. Scoop the amala into a serving bowl. Serve hot with Ewedu and the party stew. Enjoy!
Ooh. Ooh.